Welcome to Is Solflare Wallet Safe? Usage Experience. Links to the Solflare wallet and additional information are provided in the description below. Solflare Wallet is a non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet designed for the Solana blockchain, offering users a secure and easy way to manage Solana-based assets. It's ideal for users who are specifically involved in the Solana ecosystem, as it supports Solana's native tokens, NFTs, and decentralized applications, DApps, making it a versatile tool for anyone engaging with this growing blockchain. One of the key features of Solflare Wallet is its non-custodial nature, which ensures that you have full control over your private keys and funds. This is a major security advantage, as you alone are responsible for accessing and managing your assets. Solflare also offers a multi-platform experience with both browser extension and mobile app versions, which ensures flexibility for users who prefer managing their crypto on different devices. Security-wise, Solflare Wallet is equipped with several protective layers. It uses advanced encryption to secure your private keys and offers an optional biometric and PIN code authentication for added convenience and security. Additionally, Solflare's integration with hardware wallets such as Ledger provides an extra layer of protection for users who prioritize offline storage for larger amounts of Solana or other tokens. Solflare also supports staking, allowing users to stake their Solana tokens directly from the wallet, earning rewards without needing to use third-party platforms. This feature is particularly attractive for those looking to participate in the Solana network's proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. In conclusion, Solflare Wallet offers a strong balance of security, ease of use, and Solana ecosystem support, making it a reliable choice for Solana users. Whether you're holding Solana's native token or interacting with decentralized apps, Solflare ensures that your digital assets remain secure and easily accessible. For more details, check out the links in the description below.